each other so well. The Dutch athlete chasing Girona. Landersem will not get amongst the medals. It's going to be between Kenya, Netherlands and Belgium. Who can muster a sprint? Who's got the strength? Who's got the heart? Lawrence Chirono has been right there. Nagay is even saying, Abdi, come with me, come on, we can do this together. Maybe he should concentrate on his own effort. Chirono is still trying to push from the front. Nagay doing his best. He must think he's got it in his legs to sprint past Chirono. And Abdi's coming and charging. Nagay now makes his move, tries to take Abdi with him. Is it timed right? Nagay of Netherlands is trying to get there. It is going to be silver for Netherlands, and Belgium are going to get their bronze medal. Fabulous running from Nagay. He coaxed his training partner Abdi to a bronze medal. Chirono misses out, which is sad for him.